Hi. Sometimes after installing the Windows operating system on your computer or desktop, you will not find this PC, a recycle bin and control panel on your desktop. How to fix this? Here is the solution. Click on the Windows key on your system and then click on the settings. Now click on the personalization and then click on Teams, and right side you can see desktop icons. Click on this and here you can see computer, recycle bin, control panel have been disabled. Click on the check boxes and then click on apply, and finally click on OK. If you minimize this, and you can see this PC, control panel and network, recycle bin on your system. Let us rearrange this. If you find this video very useful and informative, please like and subscribe to our educational channel. Thanks for watching this.